Hi guys, in this video we talk about Realme GT6 China versus Xiaomi 14 Ultra. The Realme GT6 China launched on July 2024. The price is $600. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra launched on February 2024. The price is $1,199. The Realme GT6 China edition height 6.38 inch, width 3 inch, thickness 8.4 mm. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra height 6.35 inch, width 2.96 inch, thickness 9.2 mm. The weight of these devices: the Realme GT6 China edition 207 gram and the Xiaomi 14 Ultra 223 gram. The both mobile come with front and back glass, and the Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with titanium frame and the Realme GT6 China aluminium frame, and both mobile come with dual SIM nano SIM card support. The Realme GT6 come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra comes with LTPO AMOLED 68 billion color screen type. The screen size of Xiaomi 14 Ultra 6.73 inches. The Realme GT6 China edition 6.78 inches, and the Xiaomi 14 Ultra comes with 2K screen resolution. The Realme GT6 China edition 1.5K. The PPI density of Xiaomi 14 Ultra 522. The Realme GT6 China edition 450. The both mobile come with 120 Hz refresh rate. The screen to body ratio: the Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with 89.6%. The Realme GT6 China edition 90.6%. The screen protection: the Realme GT6 China edition come with crystal armor glass, and the Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with Xiaomi Shield glass. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with 3000 nits peak of brightness. The Realme GT6 China edition come with 6000 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Realme GT6 China edition come with dual camera setup. The 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide, dual LED flash HDR panorama, and it's record 4K 60 FPS video. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with quad camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel telephoto with 3.2x optical zoom, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and a TOF 3D depth sensor with the Leica lens, dual LED flash, HDR panorama, and 67mm filter ring holder optional, and it record 8K 30 FPS video. The front selfie camera: the Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with 32 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 60 FPS video record. The Realme GT6 come with 16 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 30 FPS video record. Let's talk about the platform. The both model come with octa-core Cortex X4 3.3 GHz CPU, and the chipset is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm, and the GPU of these devices: the both devices come with Adreno 750, and it's come with Android 14 operating system too. The both mobile come with 12 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM, and 256 gigs for 12 gigs and 1 TB of ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. The battery backup: Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with 5300 mAh battery. The Realme GT6 China edition 5800 mAh battery, and the Realme GT6 China edition come with 120 watt fast charging. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with 90 watt fast charging, and the Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with 80 watt fast wireless charging. The both mobile come with 5G network support. The commons and the features: the Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC infrared port, Type-C 3.2, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.0, IP68, dust and water resistant, and SOS system via satellites. Calls and messages: the Realme GT6 China edition come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC infrared port, Type-C 3.2, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.0, IP65, dust and water resistant. The result of these devices: the Xiaomi 14 Ultra got 23 points, and the Realme GT6 China edition got 21 points.